Good morning, friends. Today we are going to speak about Olympics. Olympics is the most attractive and famous sporting events in this modern world. Well, Olympics was previously held in ancient Greece and Macedonia. Well, for about 700 years, this ancient Greek Olympics was held. Well, this is a picture of the city where the ancient Greek Olympics was held. This city is called as Olympia. But after 393 AD, unfortunately, Olympics was banned, and only after 19th century, the modern Olympics started. In late 19th century, Pierre de Coubertin established International Olympic Association, which is also helpful in conducting Olympic Games nowadays. He is also called as the father of the Olympics. And in the year of 1896, the first ever Olympics was held in Athens, which is the capital of Greece. This is the official cover page or the official logo of the 1896 Olympics. Here we can see here we can see the 776 BC in which the year the ancient Olympics was held, and in the year 1896 in the same place the modern Olympics started. So this is the public page, official page of the 1896 Olympics. Here the countries marked in blue actually participated in this Olympics. Look, 1896 was a different world in which many countries were under some colonies. So here we can see only few countries participated. Chile is the only country from South America which participated in the Olympics. None from the Africa or none from even Asia also participated in this Olympics. So very few countries participated in here. So here from the source Wikipedia, we have seen that United States is the leading nation which has won 11 gold, 7 silver and 2 bronze. Greece is a host nation which is at second rank, 10 gold, 18 silver, 19 bronze. And we can see Germany, France, Great Britain, Hungary, Austria, Australia, Denmark, Switzerland and a mixed team. What is mixed team means? It contains the players from the different regions who have in which the regions have no access to Olympics. They will come under the mixed team. Well, Olympics is divided into two types. One is Summer Olympics and another Winter Olympics. Why there is Winter Olympics is sports which are played in the snow or the cold regions like this skiing. They are not actually helpful they are not played in Summer Olympics. So a different Olympics was held called as Winter Olympics. It was held in 1924 for the first time, and after 28 years means 1896 was the first Summer Olympics and 1924 was the first Winter Olympics. Well, Summer Olympics is held every 4 years, normally every 4 years, but there are some occasions. We can see 1912 it was held and 1920, 8 years. Why? Because there was a World War I between them, and we can see one during World War II. 1936 was held and next was 1948, means 12 years. World War II was held, so Olympics was abandoned during that time. And unfortunately when 2020 Olympics was not held because of coronavirus pandemic. It will be held next year, 2021. Well, why Olympics is so important means it actually gives a nation a platform to show its sporting capabilities. We have seen that in 1896 only 14 nations participated in that, but now 206 nations participate in Olympics. 206. Well, 192 countries are registered in United Nations, but 206 nations actually, 192 United Nations and 14 others actually participate in Olympics now. Actually it shows that how Olympics is important and how Olympics gives a refreshment for the world, the audiences around the world. United States have won the most medals in Olympics, 2521 Olympics, which is the most by any country. Even Russia, UK, and China are also one of the leading Olympic medal winners behind United States. In 1936 Olympics, actually first time the world saw the torch bearing. Torch bearing was usually held nowadays to symbolize the Olympics. So 1936 was the first time where torch bearing was held. So next year Olympics is going to be held at Tokyo, which is Japan's capital. While 2024 Olympics is going to be held at Paris for the first time. So thank you friends for enjoying this video. Thanks.